Welcome back, guys. Today we're covering the Grasslands Loop Trail here in Mission Trails Regional Park. Man, I've covered all 5 peaks. I've covered the Oak Canyon Trail. Today we're doing Grasslands. And stick around. Should be an easier hike. I'll let you guys know how it goes. And we'll come back after the video, talk about how to get here, trail details you need to know, distance, etc. All right, let's get started. All right, Grasslands Loop Trail. Yeah, it is a bit more calm than other trails here at Mission Trails Regional Park. Let's go through the details. So 4.35 miles, collected in closer to 4.5, 417 feet gain, and it is a loop trail. Now, I will tell you guys, it is a bit of up and down certain areas, and I'll talk about that in a sec. So I clocked it in closer to 600 feet elevation gain, a little bit under that. Something to keep in mind, sometimes with all trails, it'll give you kind of the net, but you are going up and down, up and down. So there's more elevation to it than you might expect. All right, how to get here, relatively simple. It's Mission Trails East Fortuna staging area. If you don't look it up, you might end up in the wrong place in Mission Trails. There's actually a lot of different places you can park and hike. So you wanna make sure you're at the right area. There are big bathrooms here, running water, good amount of parking spots, well maintained. And then just a quick reminder before we jump into the trail details, there are no drones allowed. I think when I made some of the first couple of videos, the signs weren't as prevalent as they are now. Now they're literally everywhere. So just make sure you follow those rules. Okay, let's jump into those details. So off the bat, what you gotta know is there's a lot of different trails, little side trails here. So you wanna make sure you're looking at a map. Very easy to wander off in the wrong direction. Some of the up and down hills are rocky, very easy to slip. So something to keep in mind, be careful as you're going down especially. We did this counterclockwise. So we start on the Spring Canyon Trail, connected all the way to the North Fortuna Perimeter Trail. And then there's a big overlap with Oak Canyon. And I would encourage you guys to check out that video that I've made for Oak Canyon. beautiful. Came after some heavy rain here in San Diego. It's just, it glows up, and Mission Trails really is best time to visit is after some rain because it gets really green, really beautiful. Otherwise, I don't usually recommend you hike here. You're gonna loop it around again. Very, very large overlap with Oak Canyon, then loop it back up to the Grasslands Loop Trail. You know, I think the biggest things that you gotta know with Mission Trails is it's a nice place to hike, kind of get into nature a little bit, but freeway noise, electrical wires, like this is not, if you're looking to really hike and immerse yourself in nature, this is not the location, this is not the trail. Stick around, see you guys next week.